Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2019 Isuzu D-Max, stock number 6290. This ran from 11th 2016 to the 6th 2020. It has a 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,